Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. Must I beg for some affection from your direction, night after night? Let me love you, Carmelita. You don't know what I'd go through. It's no fun the way I'm thirsting. My heart is bursting with love for you. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't right to kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only human who want to squeeze. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet my bottom peso when your arms say so. You'll kiss it.